Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to install NoNPDRM on your PS Vita. So we're gonna go ahead and continue on the computer and go ahead and download NoNPDRM. The link will be in the description below. Go ahead and connect your USB cable to your computer. I have a Mac. And open up Vita shell on your PS Vita. Connect the USB. Press select to connect. Connect it. So after you download that kernel file, go ahead and open your memory card from your Vita, and you need to see the hidden files. And to do that, open up terminal and type in defaults space write space com.apple.finder space Apple show all files, capital yes. Enter, and you need to force restart, you need to force quit, relaunch, same thing. You need to relaunch Finder. So press relaunch, okay, and then you'll be able to see all your files right here. So we're gonna go into the Thai folder, and that's where we're gonna drag and drop our kernel file. I already have it there, so I'll just click replace. Your config file, you're gonna want to add this line on the last line on the kernel section. So I got my game right here, and after adding that line on the kernel section, go back to your memory card on your Vita, and you're gonna drag and drop this to the app folder. This is gonna take a quick minute, so just give it a minute. Alright, so after that, you could disconnect your PS Vita and safely eject. Go ahead and press circle, disconnect your Vita, press start, and reboot. After you reboot, go back to Vita shell, start, press triangle, and select refresh live area. Refreshing the live area may take a long time. Continue, press X to continue. Refreshed one item. Press OK. Let's go back to the home screen. Oh, here it is. And I downloaded Minecraft, so let's open it up. new version of the application is available. Okay, I don't have enough memory to install it. I order an SD to Vita adapter. Accept. Okay, and there you go, guys. That is how you install that is how you install paid games for free on your PS Vita. I hope this video helped you guys out. So if you like it, do hit the like and subscribe button. If you have any questions, comment in the section below. If you have any ideas, any suggestions, feel free to let me know in the comments. Peace.